Hey there, it's Anna here, and today I want to talk about intuitive painting and what that means to me. I will use the process of creating this piece here as an example. If you're new to my channel, I hope this video inspires you in some way and you'll consider subscribing for more. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Let's get started. The first thing I like to do to get started is gathering a bunch of materials and colors, like this hot pink canvas. Unfortunately, my camera doesn't like this color at all and can focus on it. So we are going to skip me sponging on pastel clouds and start off with the painter's knife. Intuitive painting is one of many ways to approach abstract art, and I think it is a great tool to spark creativity. Basically, one just starts creating without having a result planned out and trusting one's intuition. Last month, I completed my Spooktober sketchbook and limited my creative process to spooky black and white illustrations. That didn't stop my mind from coming up with a bunch of colorful ideas though. So I am pouring all that excess creative energy onto this canvas. When painting in general, I like to be in a calm and relaxing environment, and I think that is especially important for painting intuitively. I really enjoy getting lost in the process and just painting without the pressure of creating an image I envisioned beforehand. To create a satisfying result, there are still things you need to keep in mind though. First off, using familiar techniques and colors greatly increases the chance of a result you will be happy with. Also, don't get worried if you aren't liking the current outcome, and don't be afraid to work in lots of layers. Also, know when to stop. It can be challenging as an abstract artist to know when you're done if you're not pre-planning your result. That's when your intuition comes into play. So be confident, trust your skill, trust your creativity and yourself. Now that I have completed the first couple of layers, let's talk about this painting. I titled this piece Brain Vomit. I recently came across this expression. As you may hear, English is not my first language, so I never had heard it before. It really resonated with me, since I had so much desire to use this hot pink canvas, the pastel colors, and step away from the illustrative work I had been doing on my sketchbook, that it almost felt like vomiting ideas creating this piece. Even though I loved doing Spooktober and am very happy with the result, I felt so relieved creating this one. I feel like it is the polar opposite of the spooky scary sketchbook. A single, unplanned, unprompted, colorful outburst, and exactly what I needed to do that day. To me, this artwork feels very unfiltered and personal, and I will keep it for myself, because somehow the thought of someone else owning it makes me feel uncomfortable. I think that is the beauty of intuitively painting. It is a very introspective and almost meditative experience, and you may end up with something highly meaningful to yourself. Nevertheless, this painting required some effort and concentration. You may have noticed the hairdryer, a little trick to dry paint quickly. Each wobbly line was dried with this hairdryer, and I was a little surprised afterwards that it didn't disrupt my artistic flow. It did disrupt the video, however, so I edited all the drying out. Finally, I added some glitter glue. It had been sitting on my desk for quite a while now, and I was really excited to use it. What surprised me about this glue is that it dried so slowly. I was in such a hurry to wash my brush so it wouldn't be ruined by the glue. Turns out it dries slowly. Anyway, I love the sparkle it added, and I think it complements my color choices very well. Normally, I'd sign my piece on the front, but I didn't want to ruin the pattern, so I signed it on the back. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe try intuitively painting yourself. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at anna.abstrakt with a K, cause it's German. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also, check out my Etsy store if you'd like to buy some of my artworks and support the channel. Until next time!